Hello, on the Dot-Connector this week on iconic.com, we're going to be looking at the Dublin riots and the background to why that happened. Yes, people were using it as an excuse to loot and what have you, but behind it is a very deep and justified concern about the massive influx of people of other cultures into Ireland and into the countries of Europe and through the southern border into the United States. So what's the agenda behind all that? What's the agenda of the vast majority of those people being young adult men? Also, we're going to look at Elon Musk. And he posted a tweet, do they still call them tweets, on X this week when he was in Israel with Netanyahu saying, action speaks louder than words. Well, if we take that literally, Elon, then you have a lot of questions to answer, and we'll be asking them in the Dot-Connector this week. And we'll also be looking at the treatment of Tommy Robinson. Whether you agree with Tommy Robinson, there's a lot that Tommy Robinson says and does that I don't agree with. But if we live in a fair and open society, then everyone should be treated equally by the law and by society in general. But they're not. And Tommy Robinson has not in this case. So that's the Dot-Connector on iconic.com. And if you go to that website after 7 o'clock on Friday, you'll be able to see the whole of this week's Iconic Dot-Connector with me and my son, Jamie.